Welcome to my review of the 2024 Nissan Frontier. Nissan has updated its midsize pickup truck with a fresh new look and some impressive features. Let's dive in and take a closer look. First impressions of the 2024 Nissan Frontier are strong. The exterior design is bold and rugged, with a distinctive front grille and sculpted lines. The truck sits on 18-inch wheels, and the higher trims come with LED headlights and fog lights. Under the hood, the 2024 Frontier comes with a standard 3.8-liter V6 engine that generates 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and efficient shifting. The Frontier also offers a choice between rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. Inside, the Frontier is spacious and comfortable, with plenty of headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers. The higher trims come with leather upholstery and heated seats, adding a touch of luxury to the truck's interior. The infotainment system features an 8-inch touchscreen display, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. In terms of safety features, the 2024 Frontier comes with standard driver assistance features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. The higher trims also come with blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. On the road, the 2024 Nissan Frontier performs admirably, with a smooth and comfortable ride. The V6 engine provides plenty of power for towing and hauling, while the four-wheel drive option ensures that the truck can handle off-road adventures with ease. Overall, the 2024 Nissan Frontier is a solid choice for anyone in the market for a mid-size pickup truck. With its bold design, impressive performance, and array of features, the Frontier is sure to appeal to a wide range of drivers.